Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for spending a little bit of your day with me and my furry sidekicks who are quite excited today, as you can tell. Wow, Azizi, you want to say hi? I'm so glad you chose to join me. I have a fun shopping haul for you today. I have to tell you, Walmart did it again. So I had some fun shopping for the free assembly pieces that I shared with you last Saturday. And some pretty prints caught my eye. So we're going to talk about this in just a moment. If you're new to my channel, I'm Laura. The brown puppy dog is Zena. The white puppy dog is Wyatt. And we would love you to hang out for us for the long haul. Hit that subscribe button. We try to bring you a video each and every day. We do clothing hauls, subscription boxes, what I wore videos, and lots of other fun stuff. So please do hang out with us. All right, so what did I find? One of the brands that I have found I have liked at Walmart before is the Sofia Vergara line. Hopefully I'm saying her name right. And her patterns and prints just tend to be so fun. So this one is going to get a little louder than my last clothing haul from Walmart, but I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Definitely a tropical vibe, some very different pieces. Let's get started. I'm going to run through them and then we'll get right to the try on. So first up is this beautiful blouse. Loving the colors in here. I did go with my normal size. This is called the puff sleeve top. This is an extra small. It does have the button detail down the front, a little bit of that peplum bottom, elastic waist here, and I think the colors just pop. I'm hoping that it's coming across on camera, but the green and the lighter blue on that darker blue background is just absolutely gorgeous. There is an elastic around the sleeve, which is going to create that little bit of the puff. You can see the gathers. Absolutely gorgeous. This top is, I believe, $24. Yep, $24. All right, so then I love a good jogger. I'm willing to pay for a really nice one. I have a couple pair of really great denim joggers, but they are premium brands. One is Paige and one is Rag & Bone. I paid a lot of money for them, but I love them. So I decided to compare a much lesser expensive option, and this one is called, let me find it for you, the Sofia Jeans by Sofia Vergara Women's Paula Knit Denim Jogger. $22.50. $22.50 for these. So I'm really hoping that I like them. They have a drawstring waist. They have side pockets. These have a bit of a darker wash, and they do have like the side seam here at the knee and the regular jogger bottom. Back pockets. So I thought these would be fun to try. Next, I have a pair of palazzo pants. How pretty are these? These just make me think of the ocean, vacation, relaxation. Love these. I think you could dress them up or just go casual. These were $26. Look at the beautiful colors in this. He's so pretty with just a white tank. You could even do navy. I think you could really do a lot with these. Hopefully they're not too long on me, but I'm looking forward to trying these on as well. And I have two more items along the same line of this blue. I also found this tank dress. So this is a maxi. Again, I obviously love the blues. This one has that same watercolor. So unlike this material, which is more crepey, this is a knit. Great for packing, great for vacation, great for every day. Just very comfy. This one does have, I think it has a slit somewhere. Yeah, so it has the snaps or buttons down the side here, and it has a slit on the one side, so you can see those buttons. It's a nice little touch, I think. Let me get you the price for the maxi. $32. $32 for the maxi. All right, and I have one last item, which is a jumpsuit. I love the colors in this. How pretty is this? So this is strapless. I'm loving the pink and peaches. Most of these items do come in other colors, so if you don't like these, there are other options for you. These are a wide leg crop, and see how it flares up on the side, which I love. Absolutely gorgeous. Again, this is more of a knit, stretchy fabric. Absolutely love it. This one was $34. All right, I'm excited. I think that Walmart has been offering some really great brands, and I think I'm gonna have fun exploring them. Let's try these on. First outfit. Okay, I have to tell you, there's nothing I don't love about this simple blouse. It does have the buttons down the front, and these are real buttons, so you can unbutton them, but I didn't need to. I'm losing my voice. I just put it right over my head. Very comfortable. So this is elastic, but it is not tight. It's actually very loose, so it's just enough to tuck in and create a waist. And then it has the bottom that comes out, but it does give a peplum look, but it's not flowy and adding weight, which I am really glad about. So it creates a very pretty silhouette, in my opinion. Loving the puff sleeves, and it does have the elastic waist. I think I've done this before. Yes, this is not my waist. Elastic sleeve. It does also have the elastic waist though. Okay, and then the joggers. So the joggers are incredibly comfortable, perfect length for me. They're not tight. If anything, they have a little bit of extra room in them. If you can see this, like I can pull out, not difficult. It's very easy for me to show you that I have extra room in them. But I would not size down. I do have like room in the waist, so this isn't really a true drawstring. I can't really tighten this up at the waist. So just keep that in mind. It basically is just for show. If you wanted to dress these up, you could always tuck this in. I left it out just so I could show it to you, but if I were to wear it, I probably would tuck them in so that I don't have that hanging out. But I do like these. I think this is a really, really pretty outfit and a way to dress up a pair of denim joggers. I did do the bend down test because I want to make sure my bum wasn't going to hang out if I bent down, because I do have a looser waist than I typically like, but I was okay. Let me get a little closer here. How vibrant are the colors in this top? So, so pretty. And I think together, I think both these two pieces, this outfit is under $50 for both. All right, let's do another outfit. Next outfit. Okay, if you love a palazzo pant, you must get these for the price tag. These are amazing. So they have a perfect flow. The length is probably just a smidge long for me. I have a 28-inch inseam for reference. I bought the extra small. So I put on a little bit of a heel. This is probably what, a 2.5-inch heel, which is perfect. I probably didn't need quite that much, but that allows them to hang completely straight and give that elongating look, which I like so much. I went with a clear, again, just to keep a nice long look and not cut me off at the foot. So I love these. I put on with just a plain white flowy tank to keep that kind of easy breezy beachy look going on, and I am in love with these. They're amazing on. Perfect fit. They do have a flat front and then elastic waist. You could even wear a fitted tank, which would kind of really give that elongating look, probably even better if you wanted to go with a fitted tank too instead of a flowy one. Yeah, that probably would maybe be a better idea. And you can kind of tell how that waistband goes. Very, very pretty. I love this. I love the colors in this. This would really be really pretty with navy as well. And now I feel like I need to remember what other colors they had and get and get them. This would be perfect at the beach, perfect for over top of a bathing suit, perfect for those evenings after you've been out all day in the sun and it cools down. Just a great pair of pants. In love. Okay, So I feel like I just keep putting on these pieces and falling in love more and more and more. How awesome is this dress? Oh, all right, so this is a very comfy knit. It does have these great buttons going down the side with the little slit there at the bottom. Has a great scoop neck. This pattern is awesome. Makes me think of water in the ocean. No slit on this side. Has a little bit of a tee back, but not too bad. And it is a midi length. So it hits me, and I'm wondering, did I buy, I wonder if it was possible to get a petite in this. I'm just double checking. No, I must have just got the regular. Okay. But perfect length for me, creates a wonderful silhouette. It's not bodycon by any sense of the imagination, but it gives a little bit of that look. Perfect spring summer dress. You could add a jean jacket, white denim. A dark denim would be really pretty as well, because navy always looks good with these colors, as does white, and I'm in love. This also came in other colors, I believe. If you don't like the blues, I believe there were choices. I think the only one there wasn't choices for was the jogger. This was the only color the jogger came in. Okay, does it just keep getting better and better, or does it just keep staying really, really good? I can't decide because I love it all. How gorgeous is this jumpsuit? I love that little bit of the flare up on the side. Doesn't come up too high, but gives that little bit of an extra look and a rounded hem. So it almost looks like a dress if you have your legs together. Gorgeous silhouette, the smocked waist. It is nice and I don't know, tight around the top part, which I like because it doesn't look like it's gonna fall down or slip. Amazing. I'm very impressed. I threw this one on with a little bit of a higher heel. These are by Dolce Vita. The other pair was a Schutz pair, the clear. You guys have probably seen this before. This one has no pockets on the side, just all yummy, yummy goodness of tie-dye. The material is very nice, so it's not too thin, very comfy, lightweight. I actually do have TMI colored underwear on today, but you can't even see it through it that I'm aware of. And this would also be another perfect, I feel like I've created a vacation capsule here. Perfect little weekend getaway, right? Going somewhere tropical, hanging out in some warm weather, drinking some fruity drinks, and hanging out by the pool or the beach. Anything missing is your bathing suit. In love. Perfect for dinner, daytime, anything. I don't think I'm going to be able to return anything from this one. I love it all. All right, but you need to tell me what you thought. That is all of my pieces to share with you today. I have to tell you, I am turning into a Walmart lover. I'm totally impressed by some of the brands they've been carrying, and I've been checking them out at a brand level, and I think I might be bringing you hauls in that format. So let me know if you like that and you'd like to continue to see that. I know for the free assembly you like that and you want to continue to see free assembly, which I will be continuing to do because I really enjoyed it as well. The organic cotton was fabulous. That video posted, as I said, last Saturday. If you didn't get a chance to catch it, I'll put it up here. The Sofia Vergara, just fun, flirty, great flow, fabrics that are perfect for spring and summer right now. I really love the colors. If you love color, I think she is a great brand to be checking out. So let me know if you want to continue to see this one on my channel as well. All right. I loved everything. I will put links to all of it down below in case you did too and want to check them out. The prices are amazing, and I had so much fun with it. And I feel like maybe I need to leave this one on for the rest of the day. So cute. Can't wait to hear what you think though. Which one was your favorite outfit? Please do comment down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, do hit that like button. It does help me out. Would love you to hang out for the long haul too. As I said, hit that subscribe If you already have, thank you, thank you, thank you. I have amazing subscribers. Until next time, everybody. Bye-bye.